So we're down here in Blackheath in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're going to be doing for this customer is brick cleaning all of the brickwork, cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks. There's quite a few bricks to replace on here, as you can see over time. Been many repairs done in sand and cement, coloured in with a colour tone. So cut all of the bricks out, replace all of the bad bricks, get some nice new handmade bricks to be put in areas where all the moulded bricks are. Going to be repointing it all in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. Going to be decorating all of the window sills and all of the woodwork on the front of this property. Also doing all the decoration and more work to the back of the property as well. All moulded bricks going to be replaced and restored, get all this looking clean and fresh. Upstairs, decoration again to all of the woodwork and stonework. Cutting back this window sill, going to restore it all nice and square. It's blown in the middle in areas, so get all that profile really nice and sharp. Same again, all the woodwork. Painting all of the pebble dash. Going to be painting all of the fascia boards and soffits. All the woodwork up on the top gable. Going to be painting all of that, get all that looking lovely and nice. All the stonework above the portico there, make good to all of that. And then downstairs, same sort of thing, restoring everything how it should originally look. Lots of sand and cement work's been done here in the past, causing a lot of damp downstairs as well, so I'll show you a bit downstairs. Do the side return as well. All the sections of repairs that have been done in the past. A lot of damp coming through all of the old cement there. So cleaning and repointing this, getting all these bricks cut out here, all the repairs all the way down the side, and get it clean, tidy and looking the best house on the street as always. So I'll show you some progress of this in the next week or so, and this is going to be another project finished to the highest standard as always. So if you do want a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Blackheath in southeast London. This is our project we've been currently working on. So what we've done on this project so far is brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Used to look like this house next door, which we're actually doing straight after this one. So as soon as the scaffolding comes down on this customer wants exactly the same finish as we've done next door. So repointed all the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. So it's going to look really nice now that we're going to complement it right through to this house as well. So they'll be both done in the same finish. As you can see, as always, looks spot on once again. We've decorated all of the stonework. We've just got to paint the windows for the customer now, so we're going to be painting all of the woodwork on the windows. Upstairs, we painted all of the pebble dash, all of the repointing all the way through there. Upstairs, we've got some fascia board and guttering to do as well. So I painted all of the pebble dash. So we're just gonna change all of this soffit and fascia board up here, changing all of that all the way through. All of the parapets all been repointed. Like I say, just the windows left to decorate all the way through there. I've also got the back of the house to do, all the decoration on the back of the house for the customer as well. Yeah, it's come out really nice. This project looks really good. The customers are really happy with how it all looks so far. So once this fascia board and soffit's done and the windows have been painted, just battling against all this rain we've been having lately. As soon as the weather dries out a bit, we can get these windows done. But as you can see, come out amazing. Really like this property. Customers done a really nice job on this. Front door looks amazing, steps all looks amazing, all of the tiling, set it all off. Yeah, really good project. So on next door, what we're doing is the same sort of thing, going to be brick cleaning and repointing all of this for them. Same finish as next door. We're going to be rendering all the brickwork over the garage to replicate the same as next door. So we're going to render all of the garage for the customer. Doing some repairs to the pebble dash on the side of the property here as well. Painting all of the pebble dash on the side and the front of the house. I think we're doing some downpipes and guttering and some fascia board work on this one as well too. So we'll show you some more progress, hopefully get the scaffolding down on this one in the next couple of weeks if we get some good dry weather, just to finish off the decoration, and then scaffold will be going straight on that one, and show you what it all looks like when they're both finished together. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Blackheath in southeast London. This is just an update video of our two projects we've been currently working on. So what we've done on both of these projects is brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We've cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. We've repointed both houses in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. So I'll just give you a little close up of how they all look. As you can see, once again, always a perfect finish to the brickwork. Just waiting for this one to dry out the same colour as next door now. All done in the same mortar mix, so they'll all dry exactly the same colour. Just waiting to start the decoration on this project, doing some new fascia boards, soffits and guttering for the customer. We did that on this house for the neighbours next door. Replaced all of the fascia board and guttering at the top, so this customer's doing the same thing, also doing the same at the back, painting all of the pebble dash. I've got scaffolding going up on the side of the house as well. Got to do some pebble dash repairs and decoration to all of the masonry on there. What else we did on here was we've brick tinted all of the brickwork around the garage. We was going to render the brickwork, but we just never had enough of a gap from the roof line there to get any render under, so we decided with the customer to brick tint all of the bricks and then penny roll point them, and to be honest, they've come up really well. It's come out good, so customer's really happy with that. Yeah, and then like I say, just decoration to this one, and then these are going to look fantastic once the scaffold's down. Both houses being done together, it looks really good when you got couple of adjoined properties repointed together. Really sets it off. So lads have done really well on both of these properties, once again restored to the highest standard as always. So if you do like the look of these houses and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Blackheath in southeast London. These are our restoration projects all completed now. So what we did on both of these properties was brick clean all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, repointed both houses in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. So I'll just give you a close up of how they all look. As you can see, perfect finish to the brickwork as always. What else we did on this project was we brick tinted all of the brickwork on this garage. It was, if I remember rightly, a horrible stock looking colour. So instead of rendering it, what we decided to do was brick tint it and repoint it all. Rendered a new lintel over the top of the garage across there. We've painted all of the stonework on both of these properties. So all of the masonry on both houses have all been decorated. All the steps, the garage work on this one, all of the woodwork on both properties. New fascia board and soffit on this property here. Same as this property here, all decorated to all the woodwork. Windows, all the pebble dash on the side of the property as well. All been decorated too. Some fascia board and guttering work on the side of this property too. We've got both backs of these houses to do as well, decoration to all of the woodwork and stonework on the backs of these properties as well. But I've got to say, these two houses look fantastic. We just got to come back now. Customer wants that light removed there and a door plaque fitted like next door, so we're going to do that for him. Got a couple of old cables there that he's having removed from BT, just to get rid of them as well, just to tidy up the brickwork. New downpipe on this property as well. But overall, I've got to say, these two houses together have come out amazing. They look absolutely stunning. So if you do like the look of these houses and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.